I just arrived in London by train, but not with one of these. And the reason why I'm here is to let you know that you thought that February was a gap month between Photonics West in January and OFC in March. Well, you were wrong. On the 21st and 22nd of February, we are meeting in London at the TOP conference. We are bringing together the telecom, quantum, optics and photonics communities to find common ground for cooperation. In fact, the interesting thing will be to understand what challenges one community has that others can solve. And in addition, you will witness fantastic presentations from top speakers, such as Harald Bock from Infinera, or, in my opinion, the inventor of silicon photonics, Professor Graham Reed from University of Southampton. I will be myself moderating a panel, so expect a very interactive and energetic discussion full of meaningful connections. See you in London. Please make sure you use this discount code if you are a corporate member, and mind the gap.